In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a callable button in Google Sites, a feature that lets visitors call you directly from your website with just one click. This is perfect for businesses, personal sites, or anyone who wants to make contacting them effortless. First, let's get your HTML code ready. The code is actually very simple. All you need is in tag with a tell link. For example, your code will look like this: call now. You can replace the phone number with your own and even customize the text or add an image inside the tag to make it look like a stylish button. Once your code is ready, head over to your Google site. Click on the section where you want your button to appear, then select Embed from the menu. Switch to the Embed Code option and paste your HTML snippet there. After embedding, you can resize or reposition the button just like any other element on your site. And that's it. Your Callable button is now live. Visitors can simply tap or click the button to call you immediately, whether they're on a phone or a device with calling capabilities. It's that easy to make your website more interactive and user-friendly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to try it out on your own site today. Adding a Callable button can dramatically improve your website's usability and make connecting with your audience seamless.